Transaction Comparables Valuation is a very important skill for anyone working in the world of M&A or private equity. We're not looking at the fair value of a business, but what's the reasonable value you'll have to pay if you're purchasing a controlling stake in a business? Or as against that, if you're selling or liquidating a firm, how much can you charge? So we're only in this session looking at takeovers. How much do you pay to control an entire business, not just a small parcel of shares? The skill set is very similar to that taught in our trading comparables valuation session, but it looks at other issues such as control premium, different forms of consideration on deals, and the challenge of selecting deal comparables or transaction comparables that are recent and relevant to your deal. So some more of these subtle skills will be added on top of the technical skills of good EV, equity, EBIT, EBITDA computation for every deal that you analyze. Again, like all our sessions, this will be based on real-life companies, real-life transactions, and real-life financial reports. Thank you.